Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of our Adobe Illustrator series. In this video, you will learn about the Illustrator Workspace, how to create a new document, essential tools like selection, shape, zoom, hand, and basic navigation and editing techniques. And here, I'm going to play the demo. This is the Illustrator interface. Down here, we can choose from several presets like A4, postcard, and more. You can also set a custom size for your artboard manually. On the left, there is an option to create a new file. Clicking that opens this window. This panel allows us to create a new document even while working inside another file. You will find presets like custom or A4 here as well. On the right side, we can adjust the width, height, and background color manually. We can also change the measurements units to millimeters, inches, feet, or pixels, and more. At the bottom, the advanced option allows us to set the color mode. Let's enter the workspace with the setting we just selected. This is our workplace, also called the artboard. This is where we do all our design work. At the top, we have the control panel, which lets us apply changes to our selected objects. On the left is the toolbar. Today, we'll look at the few essential tools and we'll explore the rest in the next session. On the right side, we have panels like properties, layers, and others. Now that we know the workspace, let's explore the tools. One of the most important one in the rectangle tools, shortcut KM, we can use it to draw shapes and customize them. For example, I'll choose the ellipse tool. By holding down Shift while dragging, the circle will keep perfect proportion. We can also draw a rectangle the same way, holding Shift to make it proportions. Next is selection tool. With it, we can select shapes either by clicking or dragging. Then we can move the shapes around the artboard. When you select the shape, small points appear. These are anchor points. You can drag them to curve the shape. The direct selection tool shows you handles. When you click on shape, you can move those handles to modify the shapes however you like. You can also click and drag to move objects freely. Okay, from the top menu, we can access files and other options. We often use the Effect menu to apply changes and make adjustments to our design. Zoom in and out is available under the View menu, or you can use shortcuts on your keyboard. Finally, the Window menu lets you open or close different panels depending on your needs. What we covered today: explore the Illustrator interface, learn how to create a new document, practice with basic tools, and got familiar with the workspace. And for next lesson, we'll working with shapes and lines. Also, we will work about shapes more. And if you have any question, you can drop them in the comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe our video.